don't think that did anything. This one is very gooey. Like, oh wow. Just dump it all out. This is so cool. That was easier than I thought. Alright, so blue slime. We're gonna add some things to it. First, we're gonna add these really big balls. Let me open them though. Voila. Alright. Perfect. Flip it over. Whoa, it's dirty. This one's definitely a bigger mess than my other ones. That's okay. Because this is like a liquidy one, so it's kind of like the sea. Oh, don't fall out, purple ball. Okay, we're gonna add something else now. We're gonna add these purple balls. There we go. Oh, this is an easier way to clean up your whole table without having to just pick it all up in one. Just use your slime. Oh wow, this is really dirty, but you know, it's actually turning out really good, I think. Do you guys like it so far? We're gonna add like one more item, but I think it's turning out good. So, I'm gonna add one more item. We are gonna add this glitter. Let me open it. Okay. Whoa. That's a lot of glitter. Do you guys like it? I think it actually turned out pretty good. It's just really sticky. All the things are sticking on me. I'm cleaning up. Cleaning. That's how much I cleaned off the table. Okay. So, this is the final result. Do you guys like it or do you guys dislike it? Just gonna show more up to the camera. Okay, do you guys like it? Do you guys dislike it? Comment down in the